Hello everyone. So exciting times for all the PWA fans out there as Apple is nearing release of iOS 11.3, which is promised to bring us progressive web app support with Safari and iOS. And to try things out to see how good this really works, we installed the iOS emulator and we'll do a demo here running progressive web apps in what's supposed to be iOS 11.3 beta 4. So here we go. Initially, we wanted to try out the Financial Times as they've been in the business for a while. And as we can see, visiting their app, or progressive web app, works nicely directly in Safari. And we can now use Apple's traditional add to home screen feature, which encapsulates the entire progressive web apps. So I've yet to see a feature that looks like Google, where it pops up to install the site, but nevertheless it's there. And we can see that when we launch it, we get the full screen mode, and it seems to be syncing up some data. Financial Times are doing something nice here. And when we crawl around the site, yeah, it's looking good. And now I'm going offline, turning off the network, and as you can see, there's a website in the background. I'm refreshing it to show you. So there we are, we're offline, and we'll close the app and launch it again in offline mode. And as we see, it's actually working. And clicking into some news, still working. Trying out something I haven't visited before, still working. So nice. Which is a good sign. Also, before testing this, we tried out AirHorner. So I'm actually still offline here. I'm visiting airhorner.com, another progressive web app. It actually seems to be cached, and I'm actually even able to add it. And we can see that something happened with the icon there. It's probably because I was offline. And we've seen some weird stuff happening with the icon, so hoping Apple will fix that. So, but apparently this is working nicely, and it's as expected. So we've seen some quirks, but in general it's looking good. Hoping Apple will sort of promote the add to home screen button more. And exciting times. Just looking forward to Apple completing the release.